everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 22nd to the 26th of August 2022 on Monday. Things take a turn for the worse after Shabalala shares a word of advice. One Nomonde's plan gets activated on Tuesday. Flora's life takes a turn for the worse. Bukosi and Ndutsugo play a brotherly cat and mouse game on Wednesday. Nkanyiso finally makes a choice between his father and his uncle. Shabalala's fate takes everyone by surprise. Nomonde's plans move along swiftly on Thursday. A guilt-ridden Nomonde starts to question her actions. Nkanyiso and Ndutsugo put their plan into motion, but are they ready to get out on their own on Friday? Kanyisa Diamond turns into a battleground while Flora fights the good fight. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.